Today we will learn sight word in sentences. Lesson 5. The word is can. C-A-N. Can. What do you see now? A ball. Say, I can see my ball. Say it with me. I can see my ball. What do you see now? A duck. Say, I can see my duck. Say it with me. I can see my duck. I like my duck. Say it. I like my duck. What do you see now? A doll. Say, I can see my doll. Say it with me. I can see my doll. Say, I like my doll. Say it with me. I like my doll. I like my toys. Say it with me. I like my toys. It's your turn. Practice reading the following sentences. Are you ready?